Welcome to the Mainstream Academy. We are discussing the topic LCM. What do you mean by LCM? LCM means least common multiple. So LCM of two or more numbers is the least common multiple of both the numbers. So LCM of two or more numbers is the least common multiple of those numbers. For example, LCM of 4 and 6. So let us find the LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Let us factorize 4 and 6. 2, 2, 3. That is 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So LCM is 12. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. So that 4 and 6 can be divided, 12 can be divided by 4 and 6. 12 can be divided by 4 and 6 completely. And below 12, no other number can be divided by 4 and 6. So LCM is 12. And to find the LCM, we need to factorize it in the prime with the prime numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? Prime numbers means those numbers which can be divided by itself and unity. Unity and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So what HCF? So HCF means highest common factor. So HCF is the highest common factor. So HCF of two or more numbers is the highest common factor in those numbers. For example, let us do an example: 4 and 6. 2, 3. Only 2 is the highest common factor, common to both 4 and 6. So HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. We will study the different methodology of HCF, division methodology and factorization methodology in next class. Division and factorization. This is factorization, division methodology in next class. Factorization in the next class. So HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. And the product of LCM and HCF of two naturally is the product of the numbers. Please remember the formula, this concept. You can expect good number of questions from this concept. For example, earlier we found the LCM and HCF of 4 and 6 respectively. So first number is 4 and the next number is n2 is equal to 6, right? And there we find the LCM of 4 and 6 in the first about LCM. We discussed that 4 and 6 LCM is 12, and we found the HCF of 4 and 6 as 2, right? So the product of LCM and HCF of 2 naturally is the product of, see, LCM and HCF is equal to LCM into HCF is equal to N1 into N2. So LCM here it is 12, HCF is 12, N1 is 4 and 6, that is 12 into 2 is 24, 24 is equal to 24, right? So please remember this concept. Product of the LCM and HCF of two natural numbers is a product of numbers. And also always remember that HCF is always a factor of HCF. HCF is always a factor of HCF is always a factor of HCF. LCM. Here 12 LCM. HCF is 2. 2 is a factor of 12, right? 2 is a factor of 11. Please remember this concept. With this concept, we can do some more we can derive some shortcuts. So HCF is a factor of LCM. Thank you, friends. for the time being.